I'm Harry Rigby. I work for Lely Atlantic, which is like the manufacturer support network for franchises to the UK and Ireland. As a brand Lely, we always have products that we aim at the future. We sort of push on where we're leading in the industry. There's obviously a lack of labour, and we see that the labour that is coming in, we need it to be fixed in with the products that we offer, and they need to be able to work with it on a day-to-day basis. So bringing that to a college where they can talk around how the data works behind the system, how the system interacts with farms, and having that knowledge coming into the industry really helps in the future with where our products are sitting in the market.
This is the cutting edge of technology. You can't get any more modern than this at this present moment in time. And this is innovation and technology at its best. This is the future. This is where the future is going.
Especially around the Vector, it was noted before, it's quite a new and fresh product in the market, and there's not a lot of knowledge around how the system works in the background with the fresh feeding, improving rumen health, and also the cow behaviours in the shed. And getting some people coming in at the early stage of their career already knowing that information really helps push them on further with sort of cow management and herd management in the future.